Hey everybody, welcome back to another Classics Are Better. I'm Travis, and today I'm doing kind of a quick tech tip episode. I'm back working on my 66 C10 I call Bandit, and basically I'm getting everything ready to get the small block out so I can do the LS swap. One of the things I'm doing today is getting the drive shaft out, and I figured, hey, I'd share with you guys how to do that. So let's get after it. Okay guys, so I will most definitely show you how to do this, but I just kind of wanted to give you a quick once over of the plan. That way if you kind of know what you're doing and you just need validation, there you go. But essentially, on my 66 C10 here again, I have 4 7/16 bolts holding this on. So 2 here and 2 here at the top. Now what you're going to want to do is use WD-40, PB Blaster, whatever your lube of choice is. Spray these things down. They're normally Loctited in, so put a little muscle on it. But break all these loose, take these little caps off here, and that way you'll just kind of expose your universal joint or whatever. Get your hammer, pop that sucker loose, just like a rubber mallet, something like that. And then, when you go right back here to where the drive shaft and yoke hits up into the transmission, you'll just try and pull that off as straight as you can. It is splined, and it will leak a little bit, so try not to mangle it up, and just be prepared to have a pan or something down to catch the mess. But that's it in a nutshell. Let's get to it. One other thing, y'all, if you're having trouble getting leverage in this thing like it's spinning on you, you can always try and shove a screwdriver through, and that way you can kind of hold it while you're turning your socket or whatever. And voila, it's out. So it's just that easy, y'all. Now I did kind of wreck my universal joint. Try not to do that. Trying to pry it out of here. I got the top popped out, but the bottom didn't. It is what it is. I'll just have to replace that. But all of them pretty much work the same way. Just loosen it down here, pop the cap loose, slide it back towards the transmission, and then you'll pull it off, and you'll see that this is splined right here. Whenever you put it back on, just realign the splines, and it's just pretty much reverse of install. You'll line your splines up and push it in a little bit further than it needs to go so that you can get your universal joint hooked back up into here. Bolt it back in, use a little bit of Loctite on this, torque it to whatever specs your differential and drive shaft need. Send it. All right, everybody, so we have success. Drive shaft is out. Again, the install is just the reverse of the uninstall. But don't let any of this intimidate you. I mean, do your research, use your brain, but at the end of the day, y'all, it is just nuts and bolts. So get out there, get after it. If you have 2 drive shafts, some of them like connect with a coupler in the middle, just disconnect it from the rear differential like you would on just a single one, and then disconnect it from your coupler, and then work your way forward. And again, reverse of that is your install. So again, don't let it intimidate you. Hopefully you guys found some value from this. Other than that, stay tuned for more updates on the LS swap on my C10. Get out there, get wrenching, my friends. Until next time, take it easy.